to be showing you how to install our Eccpp upgraded tow mirror. We can go ahead and remove the switch plate with the flat head and disconnect the wire. Begin by removing the door handle with a 10mm socket wrench. That way we can access the bolts that hold the mirror in place. Once all the screws are removed, we just lift the door panel up a bit to remove it. From there, we can go ahead and remove the wire plug and bolts holding the mirror in place. With the mirror firmly attached, we can go ahead and place the door panel on by lining it up and making sure it fits just as well as when you removed it. Once everything is complete, the final product should look something like this. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.